Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You want Google Play on a Samsung Smart TV that runs Tizen. The fastest, reliable way is an external Android TV device. First, confirm your TV has an available HDMI port and Wi-Fi. Next, plug in the Android TV device and power it on. You'll use your Google account to sign in. Once done, make sure the TV input is set to that HDMI source and follow the device's on-screen pairing prompts so you can access Google services and the Play Store. You're now in the middle of setup. After selecting the HDMI input, connect the Android TV device to your Wi-Fi and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, allow system updates to finish. This avoids later app compatibility problems. Then open the Play Store app, accept any permissions, and use the remote or on-screen keyboard to search for apps you need. Make sure to install only apps compatible with Android TV or Google TV. That ensures correct layouts and remote support. Finish by installing apps and organizing them on the Android TV home screen so you can access them on the Samsung display. Once apps are installed, sign into individual services and enable automatic updates to keep them current. If an app won't install or Play Store won't open, clear the Play Store cache, force stop the app, or remove and re-add your Google account. If that fails, reboot the Android TV device or check for firmware updates. This single troubleshooting tip solves most access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.